In this video I'm going to show you how to find the channel in Telegram. So it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do. So open the chat, open the Telegram, go to chat folder, and now all we need is just to click on search chats. So if we know the correct name of the channel, all we need is just to input it. But if you don't know, you can just input the name, the world you want to find channel about. So if you want, for example, to find the channel about football, all you need is just to input football. So here we can see the global search. We can click on show more, and now we can see the most popular football channels now. So it's just to open it, one of them, and just to click join. But if you have a link with the channel you want to find, just to open it according to the link. For example, this channel link is like this, so click on it, and yeah, you will be moved to this page. So all you need is just to click join once more. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and write your comment. Goodbye.